Hi everyone, today I'm here in Toronto and I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. And yeah, let's get out of the box. We've got a limited amount of time, so we've got to make this fast. I want to get outside and film with it. Okay. Go. Here it is. And there, we got a whole bunch of stuff in here with it. Looks like a microphone, a wind muff for the microphone. Another different colored wind muff. We have, get that out, see what that is. Oh, this is a light. This actually attaches to the top of the camera, so you can actually have an on-camera light on a gimbal like this. It's kind of cool. And oh, this is a looks like probably a wide-angle adapter, I would guess. Oh, and this is the this here is the new DJI mic mini right there. Tiny little lav mic. That is really small. It connects wirelessly to the gimbal. You got some things with which to attach the mic mini to your shirt or whatever. This is a tripod handle for the gimbal, and this looks like a battery extender right there, or just maybe just an extension. I'm not sure. Okay. Got a loop, a lanyard for the camera. Looks like a wireless charging thing, or yeah. Anyways, that's an interesting charger. Yeah, that's a different sort of charging cable right there. See, it's got that. And the USB-C cable. And the camera itself, right here. Oh, cool. Oh, so that's a gimbal. Okay, I actually really like that, having an actual like gimbal protector right there. Does it go back on? Did it go back on? Yeah, of course it must. Yeah. Anyway, okay, there we go. Anyway, that just stabilizes it like that. That's how the thing operates. Got the screen there. That's really nice. Yeah. Okay. Again, I'm kind of rushing this. I really got to get out and film before it starts raining or something. So we'll just power it on really quick. You can see it turn on. Oh, remove before use. Yep, there you go. And it powers off. You turn that. Just like that. Very cool. And again, I really do like this, the protector there for the gimbal. That is nice to have, although the previous one actually had a full, has like a full case you put it in that gives it more protection than that. So, interesting. I guess we gotta take a look in here as well. Let's see whatever this is. And it's a Osmo, it's another carrying case. Doesn't really have anything inside it, it's just a soft shell case, so you can put this in a soft shell case. Anyway, that's the DJI Pocket 4. I'm going to take it out and do a bunch of filming with it, film a whole bunch of tests. I've got a lot of work to do today.
Please be at Portugal and us, and then thank you. That June is recognized as Portuguese Heritage Month in Bulgaria. Have a great afternoon. Yeah, I've been asked